Okay. Fuck yes. Okay. Oof. Okay. Okay, now are you able to read the text?
Yes.
Give me just a second because I believe this time I can. I believe this time I can use the normal resolution. So let's see.
It seems to be. I don't hear any lagging or anything.
Oh yes, it's because I am in the kind of I don't know, playground. I don't know what to call that. I'm sitting on a table right now.
Okay.
Okay. Now, are you able to read my text, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let me switch to the conversation. Muy bien, señorita. ¿Cómo está hoy, viernes? ¿Cómo está? Hmm,
Muy bien. ¿Y tú?
muy bien. ¿Y tú? Oh, feliz. Porque es viernes. Es viernes.
Sí.
Hoy en la noche. Hmm, hoy en la noche. Now I'm gonna give you this one. Ver. Ver is to see. To see. Ver. To see. Hoy en la noche. Voy. Do you remember this one? Voy.
I am going to.
Ajá. Voy a ver a mis amigos. Yes. Amigos.
Hmm.
Now, what do you think is the meaning for this one?
Stay in the evening to see my friends.
Muy bien, very good. Okay. Let me see. What can I ask you? Uh, let's see if you can catch this one. ¿Qué va a hacer usted hoy? Now, I believe we didn't see hacer. Hacer is just to do. To do. Now, what do you think is the meaning for this one?
What are you going to do today?
What are you going to do today? Yes. Now, how you answer this question? Using voy a.
Uh, voy a.
Mhm.
Uh, voy a. Uh, celebrate. How do you say celebrate?
Celebrar. Celebrar.
Voy a celebrar. Uh,
Hmm.
the uh, me anniversary.
A mi aniversario. Ay, ¿cómo se
On
aniversario.
mi esposo.
Ajá. Con mi esposo. Oh, muy bien. Su aniversario es el. Dale, mira, 13, 13 de febrero. Febrero. Su aniversario es el 13 de febrero. No, what do you think is the meaning for this one? Oh, hello, hello. Oh. Hello, hello. Is it me? What happened? My connection. connection is good. Oh no, it's not good.
Can't hear me?
Oh yes, give me a second. Maybe it's not. Oh no no no.
I don't know what's happening. I'm back. Can you hear me now?
Hello 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 hello.
Can you hear?
Hello
Can you
hello
hear
hello.
me?
Hello hello hello. Are you able to hear me now?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh yes yes. Sorry, my laptop switched from one Wi-Fi to another randomly.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let me see.
Uh, so to your question, no es el 6 de febrero.
Give me a second. He said no. Uh, no. Es el 20. Is it 20?
15.
Ah, 15 de febrero. Let me see. Okay. Now let me see. I just wanna adjust my volume a little bit. Okay, now. Again. ¿Qué van a hacer para celebrar su aniversario? Aniversario. ¿Qué van a hacer para celebrar su aniversario?
What are we doing to celebrate?
Ajá, yes.
Uh, voy a.
Ajá.
There. What? Voy a. Is that also we are going to?
Ah, yes, you are right. Good question. That would be
Mhm.
vamos. Ah, we are going to.
Vamos a.
Ajá.
Vamos a. Okay, I'm gonna write that down.
Let me repeat. Vamos going to.
Okay. Okay. Vamos a Houston.
Can you repeat?
Vamos a Houston.
Ah, how do you spell that? I forgot. Hughes.
Houston.
Okay. Hou. US. Uh-huh. Houston.
To stay over.
Like you will be what? Like an Airbnb or something like that, or
Yeah, in a hotel.
okay. I'm gonna give you that one para quedarnos that this is way ahead from what we know right now. It's good to like introduce small, let's say, concept we don't know. Used to be, but so the time we will learn those, we will be already maybe familiarized. Okay. Va a tener una cena especial con su esposo. Let me give you tener, which is to have, tener to have, and cena. Maybe you recognize cena.
And
Cena. What do you think?
don't remember.
Cena would be like a dinner, like an event, as an event. Dinner.
Okay.
So what do you think is the meaning for this one?
Uh, are you going to have a special dinner with your husband?
Yes. Okay. Maybe you can tell me. Okay. Do you still remember comer?
Eat.
So maybe you can tell me what are you going to eat, for example. Oh yes, we are going to eat Pasta. I don't know, just an example.
Okay. Sí, estamos comer um,
Vamos
mariscos.
a mariscos.
Ah,
Mariscos. Yeah, we're going to.
vamos a comer mariscos. Yeah, mariscos.
Y me hace que foco de comer de mariscos. Bien. Ah, que let me see. I'm gonna give you this one. ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántos can be how many or how much? Now, this is one of those rare occasions where Spanish is easier than English. In English, we say, okay, if you can count it, how many? If it is not countable, it's like a pounds or blah 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 blah. How much? But luckily, in Spanish, it's just cuantos. Cuantos. The only difference would be maybe the plural, I mean the amount and gender, right? Cuantos, cuanta, cuantos, cuantas, cuantos, cuanta. That's the tricky part, let's say. So I'm gonna ask, ¿cuántos años? ¿Cuántos años es su aniversario? Who is strong aniversario? Okay, what do you think is the meaning for this? Oh no, wait. Give me a second. Sorry. ¿Cuántos años de aniversario?
Años.
Maybe we don't know años, we're right. Años, it would be.
Can you hear me?
Oh, hello?
Okay, I was just making sure. Yes.
Años, years. Years. So what do you think is the meaning for this one?
How many years? How many years is your anniversary?
Yes, that's it. Now, this is one of those phrases. It's not 100% one-to-one translatable, right? So you need to adapt. Basically, you get the meaning. Okay, how many anniversary? How many years anniversary? Oh, how many years are you like achieving? How many years your anniversary? Many ways.
14 años.
14 años, 14 años, mucho tiempo, mucho tiempo. And I would say felicidades. Maybe you know this one. Felicidades.
Yes.
Felicidades. It's kind of like congratulations. Congratulations.
Gracias.
Congratulations. Let me see. What else can we? What else? Okay. Cuando. Cuando. ¿Cuándo va a viajar a Houston? No, viajar. To travel.
En una hora.
En una
Ahora, hour? What's hour?
Yes. Hora, yes.
Or 2 horas.
In 2 hours?
Sí.
Okay, that would be. Muy pronto. Muy pronto. Okay. Let me think. Okay, we finished this. ¿Cuántos días va a estar en Houston? Maybe you remember. Maybe you can guess that one.
2 días.
2 días, muy bien. 2 días.
Estar is stay.
Oh, can you repeat?
Okay, never mind. Just yes. Are you going to
Ah, we,
estar? It also stay.
that is to be. To be.
To
Remember to
be. Oh,
be
are
and
you
to be?
going to? You are.
Dos dias, okay. Let me think what else. Okay, maybe you can give me like a schedule. Maybe one action on Saturday, and we will finish with this one. And one
Okay.
action Sunday using vamos a. So we'll say something like, on Sunday we are going to activity on Sunday, and I mean Saturday, and we are going to activity on Sunday. What do you think?
Uh, Okay. Vamos a. Uh, vamos a. Uh, how do I say go to?
Oh, ir
To
a.
go.
Go to.
Uh,
Ir a, yes.
yeah. Ir a. Go to. Okay. Vamos a ir a. Um, uh, mall.
A mall. Oh, we could say we actually call those
Um,
malls as well.
yeah.
Now, when is this
Uh,
Saturday, Sunday?
yes. Or how do you say shopping?
Oh, open.
You say it again?
How do you say, what do you say?
Shopping.
Ah,
Shopping.
shopping. I can say comprar.
Mm,
I can say comprar. Comprar,
almost.
comprar, comprar cosas. Buy stuff. Comprar cosas.
Oh, okay. Vamos a ir a comprar.
Comprar just to buy.
To
Now, when is this activity? Or this is on Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
So how do you say on Saturday?
Oh, a la sábado.
Oh, that would be for time. Alas is for
Eh,
time.
en sábado.
El sábado. El sábado.
Sábado.
Remember
That's right.
el on. And what about the activity on Sunday?
Um, vamos a um, estar en la casa
On Sunday.
el sábado. El, el domingo.
Domingo. Muy bien. Okay. That was okay. That, I guess we can leave it there. Now let me see. Okay. Viajar. How many? How much? Cena, dinner, right? And vamos a. We are going to. I guess you could add that one to your list. We already have vamos a, voy a, and va a. You are going to. I'm going to. We are going to. Okay, muy bien, señorita. Okay. So last time we were finishing to be or to be, right? We learned estar, estar, which is the other to be, mostly used for state of motion, right? And we went through physical location. We went through, I believe, let see. We went through emotional states, physical states, and states in general. Busy, ocupado, ocupada, right? We are only missing one last usage. Estamos bien, right? We are okay. Available, libre doesn't stay as well. So now, let me see. Let's see. Oh my god, he's very sick. I think this is it. No? Oh my god, it's the very bottom. Okay, this is it. Okay. Final. Number 3, ongoing action. And this is where our Spanish journey for sure surely will begin. Now, there is something in grammar we call it conjugations. Conjugation is the act of giving a time and a subject to a verb. For example, if you think on English, we have to eat. Yeah, we know there's an action, but there is no one eating and there is no time. So we do, for example, I ate. By doing that, we gave to it a subject, who is doing it, and a time, ate, the past. Maybe I ate pizza yesterday, or also I will eat. She will eat, for example. So we give it a subject, she, and a time, will, future. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna soft introduce the concept of conjugation in Spanish. Now let me switch to my notes. Now last time I believe I told you to maybe research a little bit of Spanish verbs. Now something you have to know, and this is something that makes Spanish easier and trickier at the same time. Spanish verbs are divided in 3 categories: AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. We call those verbs endings, and this is where Spanish is easier than English. If you think of English, we have a lot of endings. We have a Y, a consonant Y, vowel I, silent E, CBC, SH, finish, MSS, miss, or LK, like talk or walk, and then RK, work, and then the regulars that they don't follow any pattern. Well, Spanish makes that part easy, but also it is a little bit difficult because we have many conjugations. But for now, we will be focusing on these 3, right? Now, there is a difference between regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are easy to predict, right? They are predictable, so we know how to handle them. Irregular verbs are a little bit trickier, but luckily they go in groups. So there is one group of, there is not like there is just one irregular and it is only like that. Like all of the other irregulars will be different. No, in this case we have just irregular groups, kind of like they follow a different pattern. Right now we'll be focusing on irregular verbs. Okay, we're gonna need these 2 words. We're gonna need ando and where's my apps? Ando and yendo. Ando and yendo. And this is how the let's say formula word works. We have this, for example. I'm gonna give you cocinar. Cocinar. Cocinar is to cook. So what you do is you take this cocinar, you drop the AR, and you attach the, let's call the ending. In this case, for AR verbs, the ending is ando.
Cocinando.
Yes. So the result is cocinando. Now, here's one good news. ER and ER and IR, they share the same ending, which is yendo. And take a look at this. Aprender. This is the verb you use in your post on Facebook, where when we met, the post we met, right? Aprender,
Aprender is
to learn. Now, same formula, right? You got this aprender. You drop the ER at yendo. So you got aprendiendo. Aprendiendo. Oh, hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. I was just making sure.
I'm writing.
Yeah,
I'm just writing.
I get scared when you are too quiet because, oh my god, the connection is gone.
Sorry.
Okay, aprendiendo, right? This is the one you use in your post, learning. It becomes an ongoing action. And finally, we have escribir. Let's take an example. Escribir, right? Escribir, which is to write. To write. So exactly the same pattern. Escribir. We drop the IR. We add yendo. And we got escribiendo. Escribiendo. This is how you conjugate the ongoing action. And this is doing this, you are adding a time, right? It's ongoing, it's currently happening. So how do we add the subject? Though that's easy. That's when we use estar for this. If I say estoy cocinando, this becomes I am cooking. If
Walter, can you pause for a second so I can write this down?
Okay. Sorry.
I just want to catch up a little bit. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes. No problem. And that's how it works. Like AR verbs, ando, ER and IR, yendo. You only need those two words, ando, yendo, to be able to give makes action ongoing. And later we will see that we can say also stuff like I was cooking, for example, and it will follow exactly the same pattern. The only thing that will change would be estoy, which would be estaba cocinando, I was cooking, but that will be coming maybe sometime in the future. It follows exactly the same pattern. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready, I think.
Okay, just to finish this. Estoy cocinando, right? Ella está escribiendo. What do you think is the meaning for this one, for example?
She is writing.
She is writing. And then we can say, for example, nosotros estamos which aprendiendo. Oh yes, we are aprendiendo. Estamos aprendiendo. What do you think is the meaning for this one?
We are learning.
We are learning. Muy bien, very good. Learn. And that would be basically it. We combine the to be we already know. Estoy, estás, está, están, estamos. And then we give it an ongoing action. Ando, yendo. AR, ando, ER, and IR, yendo. That's basically how it works. Now, do you have any questions so far?
Okay, so let me look back over this. How do I tell me the difference again between ando and yendo?
Ando. Ando will be used for Spanish AR verbs. How do you recognize them? Because they end with a R. Take a look at this. Cantar, bailar,
Okay.
hablar. And
Okay.
yendo, this work for the other two types, ER and IR. You can recognize them, comer, leer, read, escribir, beber, to drink. That's basically the difference. That's why I told that there is only three verb types, IR, ER, and IR, and that will make our lives quite easier, to be honest. Okay.
Mid. Okay. What I have to really think about. I'm taking good notes.
Okay. May you have any other question before we proceed?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, now we will go through some examples first, just to make sure we understand how this mechanic works. Okay, ongoing actions, right? So, take a look at this one. Cantar. This is to sing. And this is bailar, which is to dance. And both of those are AR verbs. So, take a look at this one. Sofía está cantando y yo estoy bailando. Before we proceed to translation, I would like you to try to read this sentence.
Sophia is singing, and I am dancing.
I am dancing. Okay. Now, can you try to read it in Spanish?
Sofía está cantando
Oh, yes,
y
yes,
yo
yes.
estoy bailando.
Bailando. Yes, that's it. Okay. Take a look at this one. Comer. We already know this one, right? To eat. And then beber. We know this one as to drink. Now be very careful there. I have many students that they really struggle with beber and vivir. Beber is to drink. Vivir is to live. Like I live in Canada, for example. So be careful
Okay.
there. What about this one?
Okay.
Carlos y Ana están comiendo en la cocina y Sara y yo estamos bebiendo jugo de manzana en la sala. Let me give you sala. This is a living room. Maybe you know jugo de manzana. Jugo.
Juice.
Oh yes, jugo de manzana. Manzana. Apple. Juice. Okay, once we know that, I believe you can try and. But I would like you to try to read it in Spanish first. Give it a go.
You want me to read it in Spanish?
Yeah, in Spanish. Spanish first.
You want me to read it? Okay. Carlos y Ana están comiendo en la cocina y Sarah y yo estamos bebiendo jugo de manzana en la sala.
En la sala. Alright, now, what do you think is the meaning for this one?
Carlos and Anna are eating in the kitchen, and Sarah and Sarah
Y yo.
and I are drinking apple juice in the living room.
In the living room. Okay, very good. It's a little bit noisy. Okay. Okay. Vivir. This is the one I told you about. To live. To live. And then sufrir. To suffer. Suffer. Vivir to live. Sufrir to suffer. Okay. Now this one is a little bit longer. Ella está viviendo su vida y vos Estás sufriendo solo. That's a good advice for a friend. Okay, let me give you Pita. Maybe you recognize this one. Life. Life. And solo. Alone. Alone. And knowing that, what do you think is the meaning for this one?
Um, um, she is living.
What about
Would
this
it
soup?
be your life?
We're talking about ella.
So Sue would be her in this
Her,
instance?
yes, yes. Remember, right? Her, his, they, or your.
Okay.
Will depend on the subject.
I need to write that down too. Okay. She is living her life and uh, um,
Do you remember this one, boss? We talk about this Argentina, Central America.
I don't remember.
Okay, maybe you don't know.
Boss.
Maybe you don't recognize this boss. But if Magic is not here, what it is Stas? Stas.
Estás is you are?
You are. That's the magic about Spanish, right? You may not know boss, but Stas is exclusive to you. Like you in the like DOR. So that's thanks to that you can guess. Stas, you are. Now what about the one? Sufriendo.
Suffering alone.
Alone. No, yes, this is a very good advice.
Living her life, but suffering alone.
Yeah, reality check for many people. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now here's where the mechanic begins. We will go through maybe some scenarios. We will try to practice this a little bit. Basically, remember, right? Ando, yendo, AR, ando, ER, IR, yendo. So we have this scenario. Jenny has been quite busy. Oh my gosh, she's laughing. Her laugh.
And my
Jenny,
kids are husband, so you may hear somebody.
she has been quite busy during the recent day, and it still is. She's still busy. She will perform her singing really soon. She's now practicing with Sophia at the studio. And that would be in the scenario, right? Jenny is busy. She's practicing with Sophia at the studio, and she's still busy in the recent years. Now let me check this question because I forgot what it is about.
Hola, ¿dónde está Jenny?
Okay, that was too fast. Give me a second. Now, were you able to hear something?
Quiet. I can listen carefully though.
Yeah. Give me a second. Now, let me select a different voice. Okay, Elvira. Now, let me know if you can hear something.
Hola, ¿dónde está Jenny?
I just want to know if you were able to hear.
Yes.
Okay, let me see because I believe I can higher the volume a little bit. Now, let me see.
Hola, ¿dónde está Jenny?
What do you think is the meaning for that one?
Hola, ¿dónde
Hi, where?
Can you repeat?
Hi, where is Jenny?
Hola. Let's come on, question. ¿Dónde está Jenny? Now notice that this is asking for physical location. Now we already know we can use a star to do this. And if I remember correctly, the scenario said that she's at the studio. So how will you answer this question?
Jenny está estudio.
In or at the studio.
Jenny. Jenny está en la estudio.
En el
Estudio.
estudio.
En el estudio.
Yes, studio. This is a common noun, common masculine, because you can check out the O, right? So most of them, and in most of the nouns ending in O, they are masculine. Not all of them, but most of them. Okay. Let's take a look at the next one. Give me a second. Where is my reading control? I believe it's this one. Okay.
Está. Está. Libre. Hoy. Está. Libre. Hoy.
This one is a little bit tricky. What do you think? Now, do you remember this one?
Libre. Libre.
Libre. I'm trying to remember it.
This is, we used this one a while ago. Yes, that's it. What do you think is the meaning for this one?
Is she available today?
Y she available today. Muy bien, señorita. You are in a row. Está libre hoy. Okay. This is asking for a state, right? Remember, we do a state as well. So how will you answer this question?
Okay, estate.
Now remember the scenario. The scenario.
Está libre.
The scenario said she was busy, quite busy recently, and she still is. What do you still remember busy? How to say busy?
I don't remember busy. Ocupado.
Oh, but she's a girl.
Ocupada.
Ocupada. So we can do está ocupada, we can do no está ocupada. Or coming back to the example you gave, no está libre. That's how you would do it, like in the negative. Okay. And here comes the next one. Let me take a look at it.
¿Qué está haciendo?
Okay. Here's one I have to give you. Hacer. Hacer is to do, right? So what do you think would be haciendo? What do you think is
Doing.
Doing? Again. So once we know haciendo, what do you think is the meaning for
Haciendo.
Oh, sorry.
¿Qué está haciendo?
Doing.
Yes. ¿Qué está haciendo? Now remember the I believe they said the scenario said that she was practicing something like that. Now to practice, let me give you to practice. This is practicar. So how would you answer to the question? Remember, right? This is a AR, so we will need ando.
Okay. Está practicando. Practicando. Ya singing.
Está practicando. You can say, for example, su voz.
Okay. Su voz.
Voz is just voice.
Voice. Okay.
And let me see this one. Okay, let's take a look at this one.
Está practicando sola. Está practicando sola.
Now we only need.
Sola.
What do you think? We saw this a while ago. Remember the reality check?
Sola.
Is she practicing by herself?
That's a very good translation. Yes. Está practicando Yes.
Or alone? Is she practicing
Alone, yes.
alone?
And I believe this scenario is she's practicing with Sophie, I believe. Sophie or Jennifer, I don't know. Yeah, Sophie, I believe. So how will you answer this one?
Um, Está practicando con Sophie.
Sophie, that's it. Yes. So that's it. Oh, ¿dónde estás? ¿Dónde está? Take a look, right? This, as simple as you see it, this would be a natural Spanish conversation in real life. Oh, ¿dónde está Sophie? Where is Sophie? Ah, está en el estudio. Is she available? Oh, no, she's quite busy. Está muy ocupada. What is she doing? Oh, why is she so busy? Ah, está practicando su voz. Is she practicing alone? Oh no, she's practicing, está practicando sorry, Jenny and Sophie. Sorry, I mixed them up.
It's okay.
Okay. That's it. That would be it. Yes. So that would be scenario number one. This is how the mechanic works. We will be trying to use all the instances for star: physical location, emotional state, condition, like busy, preoccupied, all of those. And now, of course, ongoing action. What are they doing specifically? Okay, let's go through scenario number two. Number two says Antonio Marcos feel quite stressed right now. The deadline for their new book will be really soon. That's why they are rushing right now, writing their new book. They went to their room, so they won't lose focus. So this is the scenario, right? They are really stressed. They are rushing writing their book, and they went to their room. Right now, there's a few words. There's a few words we need in this case. We need stress. Stress. This one is estresado. Estresado. Estresado or estresada. Estresados. Estresadas. It will depend, right? I think we will need escribir, which is to write, and I believe we will need cuarto. I need to put these words before in advance. I always forget. Cuarto, which is room. Room. If I am correct, these are the words, only the words we'll need. But let's see. Cuarto, room, stress, estrés. This is an state, an emotional state. Estresado, estresadas, estresados, estresada will depend on the gender. And escribir. Escribir, to write. Okay. Let's take a look at the first one. The first one says,
Hey. Hola. ¿Cómo están Antonio y Marcos?
let's play it again.
Hey. Hola. ¿Cómo están Antonio y Marcos?
What do you think is the meaning for that one?
How are Antonio and Marcus?
Muy bien. Hey, hola. ¿Cómo están Antonio? I'm mixing English and Spanish. Y Marcos. Okay, this is they are asking for their state, their being, well-being. How will you answer this question based on this scenario?
Antonio y Marcus están estresado.
Estresado, but they are two.
Estresar.
Dos. Yes, estresados. Antonio y Marcos están estresados. O ellos están estresados. Estresados. Okay, number one. Let's go. Number two. Let me see here. Okay.
De verdad, ¿dónde están ahorita?
Okay, give me a second because I need to give you this one. De verdad. De verdad. This is really, really, or seriously, depending on the situation. See, oh, seriously, seriously, really, de verdad, de verdad. Could be also honestly, but mostly, uh, really or seriously. Okay.
Okay.
De verdad, ¿dónde están ahorita?
No, I think I have to give you this one as well. Ahorita. Ahorita. This is right now. Right now. So what do you think is the meaning for
De verdad, ¿dónde están ahorita?
Really? Why are they stressed right now?
oh, close. Now let me
Ahorita, ¿dónde? ¿Dónde?
what is the meaning for that one?
¿Dónde?
Where are they right now?
Where are they right now? Now remember, right? The scenario said that they went to their room, so they won't lose focus. So they're asking in this case physical location. So how will you answer to? Give me de verdad. ¿Dónde están ahorita?
Would
How
it
you-
be están en su cuarto?
So that was an amazing answer. They are
Oh, thank you.
in the room. Very good. Yes. Sue. Remember Sue, right? Sue is very diverse. Let's say that him, her, their, your. Bien, señorita. Muy bien. Very good answer. Tell.
Question.
Uh-huh.
I have written down what is sus?
It's just a plural Sue. For example, imagine Sophie and John. John had like multiple children, so you would say sus hijos to say their children. Or if we are talking about Sophie, just by her alone, if we say her children, we would say sus hijos as well. It's the same, but it's just a plural, the plural version, let's say.
Okay. So if Antonio and Marcus were in their own rooms,
Yeah,
say-
yes. That's quite a good, a good observation. Yes,
oh, good. I got it.
yes. Actually, yes. I really like when a student I give them the pieces right, and they by themselves, they figure out things that I didn't say, but thanks to these pieces, they're able to figure them out themselves. I'm really happy, really proud
Means
of
you're a
you.
good teacher.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, and I believe this is no, yes, this is the last one. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. And it says,
¿Y qué están haciendo?
this one is easy, right?
¿Y qué están haciendo?
What do you think is the meaning for this one? Y haciendo. Remember, we used this one a while ago.
Okay. So it's they're doing, right?
Ajá. ¿Y qué están
Okay.
haciendo? And I believe
What are they doing?
the scenario said they are writing their book, something like that, because the deadline is coming.
Yes. Están
Están
on okay. Escribiendo.
escribiendo. There you have it. What are they writing?
escribiendo su
Book.
I don't remember book.
Book would be libro. 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 And
Están escribiendo su libro.
libro. Now, I'll give me just a minute. Oh no. Let me say just I need to check because I'm using my laptop and I don't wanna like suddenly will die on me. Okay, I have 60%. Yes. No problem.
Okay.
Because last time in the last class, I was like so blah 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 blah, blah, like, when I noticed it was 28%. You know, like, oh my god. Yeah. Okay, number 3. Mario and Luigi are quite focused right now. Ahorita. They will have a celebration soon, and they're cooking the food. Mario is cooking the vegetables at the kitchen, and Luigi is cutting up the chicken on the table. Okay, we will need a few words here. We will need cortar. 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 Now, cortar in Spanish could be to cut, to chop, to slice. Now, there's another good thing. When I was writing this scenario, I was not sure like what do I say with chicken chop, slice, to cut up. But luckily, in Spanish, it's just cortar. That's all. That's all. Cortar. You can use cortar with paper, with boxes, with solid things, and anything. Cortar. We even use this like to break up. Like it would break up a relationship. Um, to give you an idea how versatile it is. Okay, then I believe we will need vegetables, vegetales. Now you'll be shocked how difficult it is. Vegetales. This is just vegetables. Vegetales. Vegetables is just vegetales. Vegetales. We're gonna need cocinar. Cocinar is to cook, right? Cocinar is to cook. Let me see. We need kitchen. Oh no, do you still remember kitchen?
Cocina?
Yes, cocina. What about table?
About table? Oh, I don't remember table.
Table. Let me give it to you. I'm gonna need mesa. This is a table. And I believe we're gonna need focus as a state. Focus, we can say concentrados. Concentrado. Yeah, general noun. Focus, concentrado. Concentrado. Okay, so to summarize, cortar, vegetales, cocinar, mesa, and focus. Concentrados. Okay. Oh my god. Give me a second. I believe I didn't record the. Oh no. Now let's question. This is G3. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let's pray that the me from the past did actually record these audios. Let me see.
Hola, ¿dónde está?
Yes, I did it. Oof. I was worried. Yes. Okay, here we go. Okay, yes.
Hola, ¿dónde está Jenny?
Oh. No, never mind. Me from the past didn't Didn't do well.
That's a different one. Okay.
Yeah, that's the. How come? Let me see. This is question G3, GF. Uh-oh. Okay, I guess I will have to ask you myself because I
Okay.
don't know what happened. Oh, no, 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 no. Give me a second.
Carlos está muy nervioso.
No, no, no. No, like, I didn't do well. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mario Luigi, right? What is this?
Hola, ¿dónde está Jenny?
Ah, yes, no. No, no, no. Yes, I believe. Maybe they got mixed up. I don't know. Mixed up. Okay.
It is okay.
Okay, so I guess the first question would be, let's say imagine the situation, right? Someone is looking for Mario and Luigi, and they call you, and they ask, "Hey, hola, cómo están Mario y Luigi? Hola, ¿cómo están Mario y Luigi?" Now, what do you think is the meaning for that one?
How are Mario and Luigi? Wait, we skipped one, right? Or no? Oh, no, no, no. No, we didn't. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes. Now this is the this is
Sorry,
about
I'm sorry.
this is about gracias.
Got it. I was thinking that we were somewhere else. Okay, I just got confused. We're good.
No, no, yes, it's Mario.
Oh,
Remember this scenario, right? They are really focused because they will have a celebration while Mario is cooking the vegetables. Luigi is cutting of the chicken, I believe, yes. And they are in the kitchen. They went to the kitchen. So this is asking about their state. How will you answer to this one?
Let's see. Están bottle.
Oh, can you repeat?
Okay. Están ocupados?
Ah, but they are two.
Ocupados?
Ocupados, yes. And I can ask you, ¿de verdad? ¿Dónde están? What do you think is the
Okay,
meaning?
can we try the scenario again? Can you go to the scenario?
Okay.
Picture of scenario 3.
Mario
Is this the one where Mario and Luigi are focused right now? They're having a celebration soon. They're cooking the food. Mario's cooking the vegetables in the kitchen. That's what we're.
Yes. Mario is cooking the vegetable in the kitchen, and Luigi is cutting the vegetables on the table.
Okay. Now, I was looking at the other one and thinking of this one.
Yeah,
okay,
because I believe I believe I used the same name. Sorry, so that was a mistake.
No, it's okay.
I'm really bad at
Okay.
names. Sorry.
That's okay. Okay. They're están ocupados. Verdad. De verdad. What is that? Verdad?
¿De verdad? ¿De verdad? Remember that one? Like something will happen and they will tell you, ¿de verdad? De verdad, de verdad. Really?
Seriously?
Serious?
Like, seriously?
Really or seriously?
Okay.
Seriously.
Really? Okay, really? Where are they? Están en la cocina.
Están en la cocina. All right. And then they ask you, ¿Y qué están haciendo? ¿Qué están haciendo? What do you think is the meaning for that one?
Um,
¿Qué están haciendo?
what are you doing?
Ajá. ¿Qué están haciendo? Now, here's the tricky part, right? Because you notice Mario is doing something and Luigi is doing something else. So you have to use a little bit of
Okay.
sorcery there.
Okay. Mario está um, cocinando.
Oh,
Cocinando.
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 Cocinando. With a ah
Mario
sound.
cocinando. Okay. Mario está cocinando. Would it be los
Ajá.
vegetales?
Vegetales. Vegetales.
Okay. Y Luigi
Ajá.
está um, cortar
Ah, like it.
pollo.
No. Look at this cortar, right? It's AR. So, how will you apply the...
Cor-
Ajá.
cortar cortando.
Ah, cortando. Cortando.
Okay. Cortando.
Cortando. Yeah. Be careful with those ones that maybe they will get like a little bit tricky because the syllable is cut, right? Because the AR is removed. So
Okay.
it will get like cort
Cortando.
and then ando. And cortando
Okay.
the chicken.
El pollo.
El pollo, yes. El pollo. El pollo. Okay, let me see. How are we with time? Okay, I believe we can stop here. And then I have a few, two more. But let's leave those for the practice because we need to do a vocabulary practice because we have been learning a lot of vocabulary. So we will go through all that maybe next class. Okay, now, first, to wrap this lesson, let's go back to our notes. We learned about conjugation, right? Conjugation is the act of giving a subject and a time to a verb. In this case, we're giving the ongoing time, like it is happening right now, to the verb. And the subject, well, it depends, right? Estoy, está, she is, I am. And depending on we have three types of verbs in Spanish: AR, ER, and IR. And depending on the ending, AR, ando, ER, or IR, yendo. We're gonna only need those two words, ando, yendo, in order to give the ongoing tense to the verb. Estoy cocinando, estoy escribiendo, estoy comiendo. Okay, before we finish, may you have any question?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, now I'm gonna give you a task. Maybe you can.
Okay.
You don't have to do it right because this is not school. Maybe during your trip with your husband, maybe you can write notes. For example, let's say I don't know if you're gonna drive the car, but let's say you're driving the car. So you will write, for example, oh, right now I am driving the car. You only need to look up how to say driving, which is manejando. So you would say, estoy manejando el carro. And then later maybe it would be something else. Maybe you're washing the dishes. So you would say, oh, I am washing the dishes. And you would say, estoy lavando los platos. So I want you to maybe like track your day depending on what are you doing at that moment. Or right now, I am cooking the I don't know, beef. Estoy cocinando. Estoy cocinando. Cocinando el cerdo. I am cooking the beef. So basically, to make like a itinerary, I'm not sure how to call that, like a action tracking of your 2 days. In case you get the time right, you don't have to do it, but maybe to practice a little bit, you can try that. Okay,
Okay, very
señorita.
good.
Give me a sec.
All right. Thank you, Walter.
Okay, give me a second.